Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be decorating our sweetheart table with this gorgeous floral table runner with flowers from the Dollar Tree. So, if you have a few minutes and want to make one too, stay tuned. To begin our project, I just took my ribbon and cut it the length I wanted. I want mine to hang a little bit over the table, so that's how long my ribbon is. And then I'm just going to I pulled the flowers off the stem, and then I'll just cut the little green part off at the bottom, and I'll just hot glue them on. And then I'll glue the flowers to the ribbon, and then I'll glue like one or two petals together on the flowers, and then I'll glue like one or two petals down to the ribbon, and that's just to cover up any spaces or gaps there maybe. My white roses are from the Dollar Tree, and you get about 5 roses in one bunch, and I ended up using about 5 bunches to get the look I really wanted to. I ended up using 2 strips of ribbon to make my runner fuller, and the purple roses I ordered off Amazon a long time ago. I was saving them for another project, but that didn't turn out how I wanted it to, so I just incorporated them into this one, and I love how it turned out. And honestly, I bought like 12 bunches of roses, and this is the result. So it's super cute, super quick, and super cheap. Love it. Perfect combination for a bride on a budget. Thanks again, guys, for tuning in. Don't forget to like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram and to subscribe. There'll definitely be more cute, fun, and cheap projects to come.